Hello there. 2017 was a strong year. Along the lines of a fruitful M&A market, driven by significant private equity investment, both in Italy and abroad, CrossCourt Capital took part and benefited, reaping some of the seeds of its past activities with a few of its originated deals closing. We're proud of the work we've done, in the midst of an enormous effort in building for the future an effective, buy-side, investor-driven franchise towards which we're striving. Several investment funds, equity, hybrid equity, and debt alike are choosing us as a likely option to increase their deal flow and chance of successful transaction execution. We thank them for their trust and we will make our utmost effort to achieve full and encompassing client satisfaction. We now have a network of around 60 active institutional investors, 70% of which are foreign, deriving from 4 continents, which are interested in our sourcing capabilities, including idea generation, target approach, asset screening, and initial meeting organization, in addition to our execution expertise. On around 75 leads this year, we approached a record 52 companies, which generated 20 introductory meetings with our client investors, with a final outcome of 3 completed transactions, and, more importantly, a significant pipeline for the forthcoming year. I do recommend you to take a look at our sourcing statistics posted on our website, which illustrate and denote our service offering for institutional investors and corporates. On the corporate finance side, we continue to assist in equity research assignments, worked on a fairness opinion for a trademark litigation case, completed a private placement, and ran a sell-side process for a foreign client. We have expanded our partnerships abroad, adding one in the Benelux region, which we support with our platform of investors, technology, methodology, and strategic direction, and which we hope will allow for deals to be originated abroad on top of our core market, Italy. Elections are coming up in Italy in the spring of 2018. We don't anticipate major changes in this country's financial and economic policy. Corporate tax regulation will continue to lighten in line with the recent domestic trend and with that of the rest of the industrialized world. This will allow the economy's growth, which has finally picked up, albeit years later compared to its European peers, to become more invigorating. The financial and banking system has been constantly healthening as a large portion of non-performing loans have been spun off from several bank institutions' balance sheets. A number of small lenders have been folded into larger ones and or sold off at bargain rates to larger groups. The economy has progressed, making Italy a stronger and more stable environment for doing business. We continue to be confident of the investment environment in one of Europe's deepest, most diverse, niche-leading manufacturing-driven mid-market economies. Except for some industries, most notably the consumer, retail, and luxury fashion, valuation multiples will continue to stay low when compared to other countries. Leverage capacity will be buoyant for the foreseeable future, and interest rate increases will lag other countries further ahead in the tightening cycle, such as the US and the UK. We foresee financial investment to be allocated to industries such as education, healthcare, oil and gas equipment, food and agriculture, industrial machinery, and packaging. Our mission of becoming one of the most important investor-focused buy-side specialists for multi-asset, multi-industry, multi-geography focused funds has been now definitely set. We're building a platform which not only proactively sources quality and feasible off-market opportunities, but accomplishes those demanding missions that our prime clients ask of us in approaching a specific target, in analyzing a particular niche market, finding outstanding management teams, and making transactions happen in the most effective, risk-managed way. With this pledge, we would like to thank you all for entrusting us, challenging us, and relying on us to come through for you. With that, we hope you all have a happy and peaceful holiday season with your families and loved ones. Happy Year!